Hello and welcome. From the previous video, we have successfully designed our schematic in the OrCAD Capture CAS, and we also have created our board file and netlist. For this video, we will start with the phase 2 and we will use the new software for PCB design called OrCAD PCB Editor. The OrCAD Capture was for schematic design and this PCB Editor is for PCB designing, printer circuit board. Just open this application, double click it, and this will launch the OrCAD PCB Designer Professional. This is the main environment of the OrCAD Professional. We have a working environment here, and on the right hand side we have some options, and I will discuss these all options in the later videos. But for now, from the previous video, I have created the board file by the name of ledindicator.brd. .brd is an extension, that means a board file. This is the name of my file, LED indicator. And we have two options here. One is start design and one is open existing design. So we already have designed our schematic, so we will not start with a new design. We will just open the